This Bored Ape NFT is up 230% since September and is currently valued at $544,500. If you're someone who believes in the future of NFTs, there's a way that you can invest in some of the top tier projects like Bored Apes or CryptoPunks without paying hundreds of thousands of dollars. There are products like Rally Road, this app right here, that give you access to the best of the best projects. They also allow you to avoid the hassle and jargon of crypto and give you a peace of mind that you're buying a real, verified NFT project. I'm not a formal financial advisor. I cannot give you formal financial advice. And if you want formal financial advice, you should go to a formal financial advisor. Is that one good, lawyers? Yeah, okay. The major benefit of an app like Rally is that they have sourced some of the top tier NFT projects. As you can see in their app right here, they have multiple CryptoPunks, different Bored Apes, a Doodle, a ton of valuable NFTs that you can buy into. And what I mean by that is you can buy shares in these projects like you would buy shares in a company. So instead of owning the entire Bored Ape, you would own a portion of it. So for example, let's go to the one that we started with right here. So you can buy shares of this Bored Ape that's worth $544,500. You can buy shares of it for $33 a share. These apps are also great because if you scroll through it, you get different information like historical pricing data. You can go through and learn more about the Bored Ape project as a whole. A ton of great stuff for you to learn on Rally's app. So you can get access to the stability of top projects without the major price tag. Another huge benefit of buying on a platform like Rally is that it takes out of the hassle of dealing with actual cryptocurrency itself. Typically, to get an NFT, you have to transfer US dollars into whatever cryptocurrency the platform was built on, and then put it in a wallet, like something like a MetaMask wallet, and then finally buy an NFT, store it in that wallet. All of this can be extremely daunting and confusing if you're new to navigating NFTs. But all you have to do on Rally, this is the great part, is connect it to your current bank account, just a regular bank account, and buy shares with real good old US dollars. Lastly, in the world of crypto scams, where it feels like people are getting ripped off all the time, you know that you're buying a verified, real NFT project. Rally has obviously an entire legal and research team that gives you a peace of mind that you aren't getting scammed. So if you're someone who wants to get involved with NFTs, but doesn't have the money it takes to buy into the top tier projects, you can own shares of them right now on Rally.